Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, we're going to be discussing about the loops available in Python. So there are two kinds of loops available in Python. The first one is the while loop and then the for loop. So what is a while loop? A while loop is used to iterate over a block of code repeatedly until a given condition returns false. This can also be used as an infinite loop. With the help of while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. So what is a for loop? A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a tuple, a list, a dictionary, a set, or a string. This is less like for the keyword in other programming languages and works more like an iterative method as found in other object oriented programming languages. With the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each time in a list, tuple, set, etc. I'll be showing you the quick demo. Let me define a variable x and then I'll number it 1, and now I'll give the while loop. So while x is smaller than 6, print x plus or equals to 1. So what this is going to do is it's going to print out all the numbers from 1 to 5, which is lesser than 6. So if we don't give this condition, it's just going to print it like it's a infinite loop kind of thing. So it just keeps printing all the numbers. I don't know when will it end. So it's just printing 1 1 1 1 1 for now. So you need to make sure that you need to add the condition over here. X is equal to x plus 1. So this will end it at 5, or else it will be a forever loop. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use the break statement over here. With the break statement, we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. So for that, we just have to type if x equals to 3, break, and the next condition will be x plus or equals to 1. So again, this will break it when the value of x has reached 3. So this is how you use the break statement. We can add an else statement over here to run our code or a block of code when the condition is no longer true. So let me just remove this and add an else statement over here. Else print number is no longer less than 6. So as you can see, after 5 it says number is no longer less than 6. So yeah, this is how you play around with while loops. Now I'm going to be showing you for loops. Let us create a list. So I'll just name it colors, and then I'll type in the colors like red, green, blue, gold, and then black. Now we're going to be using the for loop. So for x in color, print x. So what this is going to do is it's going to print out all the items in the list: red, green, blue, black, gold. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how do you loop through a string. So for that, you just have to type for x and your string, print x. So this is going to split out all the letters, coders, and then project. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you break the statement. So let us take the same example where we have created a list. So let us add a break statement over here. If x equals to gold, then break. So as you can see, the for statement just ended when the item has reached gold. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use the continue statement over here. So a continue statement can stop the current iteration of the loop. For example, when the color reaches gold, it should skip gold and print black. The gold should not get printed. So for that, you just have to type, remove this over here. Just have to type continue, remove the break over here, and then just print x. So what this is going to do is when it reaches gold, it is going to skip the gold and print black. So as you can see, gold has been skipped. So this is how you use the continue statement. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use the range function for x in range 10, print x. So what this is going to do is it's going to print all the numbers from 1 to 9 and except the 10th number, which is 10. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you use else in the for loop to keep the loop running after the value is finished or the code is finished. So for x in range, let me take it 15 this time, print x, and then else print countdown finished. So what this program does is it is going to print from 1 to 14, and at the 15th place it's going to print countdown finished. So as you can see, it has printed from 1 to 14 and then countdown finished. Now I'm going to be showing you what are nested loops and how do you create them. So a nested loop is a loop inside a loop. So the inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration for the outer loop. I'll just show you the demo. I'll create a list A. Let me specify few colors, red, green, and in the list B, I'll specify two more colors, gold and blue. So what this is going to do is for x in list A and then for y in list B, print x comma y. So this is going to print the first item of list A and then first item of list B. Then again it goes to first item of list A and then second item of list B. Similarly, the second item of list A and then the first and second item of list B. So as you can see, it's red gold, red blue, green gold, and green blue. So this is a nested loop and this is how you create them. Now I'm going to be showing you what is the use of a pass statement in for loop. So for x, and let me specify a few numbers over here, 0, 1, 2, 3, pass. So as you can see over here, the for loop does not contain anything to run or anything to print. So we are specifying a pass function over here, or the pass statement. Since we cannot leave a for loop empty, we should put the pass statement to avoid getting any error while running this. So as you can see, nothing has been printed in the output. But if you remove this and run, you are going to get an error. So yeah, an error. So you must add the pass statement over here to avoid the error. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.